Okay, so here we have the completed work. You'll note that I created a frame out of walnut and I cut it so that it would stick out for the axe. It gives it a nice little, extra aesthetically pleasing feature to it. You can see that I've got it quite dark in some areas and lighter in others. I brought back the tone of the axe to contrast it with the rest of the carving. I darkened the what is this? The circlet around the head. I also darkened and pitted the inside of the axe itself. That really draws it out. I also smoothed out some of the harder lines on the eyes, but left parts of the eyes white. This eye's gone, as you know, so it's quite white. I got it a little whiter here and here. I brought the cheekbones down all the way, and then I put the shading back in, and then I lightened the shading to an extent everywhere. I also darkened the birds, which are harder to see here. Maybe you can see it here. No, that still doesn't really help, does it? Maybe if I... not really. Sorry about that. Now that it's in the frame, it's a little harder to see. But the mountain in the background, both birds are very clearly seen from the visual eye. The boat and the shield and the oars as well. They're all pretty good to go. I got my mark in here in addition to another place down here. It's done. So the next carving that we do together, we can do together in its entirety. We'll also, cut here, answer questions, and so on and so forth. We'll shade together, and we'll see if we can't do a carving one of these days together like that. All right. Thanks. Bye.